we are supposed to factorize the following algebraic expression. Now what we do, we first of all have to identify the greatest common divisor for the numbers 20, 12, and 16, and then that one of these letters A, B, and C that we have with powers. Starting with the numbers 20, 12, and 16, the greatest common divisor simply means the highest number or the greatest number that can divide 20, 12, and 16 without leaving a remainder. That number is 4. So our greatest common divisor is 4. Now in terms of these unknowns, this one and this one, of course this one, we say the GCD of a b cubed c squared, which are these numbers, a squared b raised to power 4 c cubed, which is this one, and a b squared c squared, which is this one, is, now for us to get the GCD, you look for the GCD for a letter individually. We start with A. You realize we have A squared and A here. This A is like it's raised to power 1, this is raised to power 2, this is raised to power 1. In that case, you take the A with the least power. This power 1, power 2, and power 1. So the A with the least power is A raised to power 1. In terms of B, we have B cubed, B raised to power 4, and B squared. The B with the least power is B squared. So we take it. And then we have C squared, C cubed, C squared. The C with the least power is C squared. We take it. So this is the greatest common divisor for these unknowns that we have here for each of the terms. So we shall now say that the factor that we put out in the name of greatest common divisor for this one will be this and this. So we shall say we have 4ab squared c squared. This is the 4 we are talking about, and a b squared c squared is what we have just calculated. We have done here. Then you open brackets. Now this one divided by the whole of this. Then we shall have this one divided by the whole of this, and then this one divided by the whole of this. So starting with this first term here, 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. And then a, this is like a raised to power 1 divided by a raised to power 1. Under the laws of indices, it means we subtract the powers. So we shall have a raised to power 1 minus 1. In terms of b, we have b cubed divided by b squared. Under the laws of indices, we subtract the powers. So we shall have b cubed minus 2. And then we have c squared divided by c squared. That means c raised to power 2 minus 2. We take this power, whatever power that is here, subtract the corresponding power here. Now we come to this one. So we have this plus here, let's indicate it. Then 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. A squared divided by a raised to power 1, that's the same as a raised to power 2, subtract 1. Then b raised to power 4 divided by b squared is the same as b raised to power 4, subtract 2. C cubed divided by c squared is the same as c cubed minus these 2. And we have this minus. 16 divided by 4 gives us 4. A, this is like a raised to power 1 divided by a raised to power 1 is the same as a raised to power 1 minus 1. B squared divided by b squared is the same as b squared minus 2. I'm still using the laws of indices and subtracting the powers. Then c squared divided by c squared gives us c squared minus this 2. Now we simplify this. This one will remain the way it is, the factor out. Then open the brackets. We have 5. A raised to power 1 minus 1 is a raised to power 0. B raised to power 3 minus 2 is b raised to power 1. C raised to power 2 minus 2 is c raised to power 0. Plus 3. A squared minus 1 gives us a raised to power 1. B raised to power 4 minus 2 gives us b squared. c raised to power 3 minus 2 gives us c raised to power 1, then minus 4. A raised to power 1 minus 1 is a raised to power 0. B squared minus 2 is the same as b raised to power 0. And this one will give us c raised to power 0. Now from the laws of indices, we know that anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we can simplify this one further. So we shall have that being equal to this factor here, then 5 in the bracket. A raised to power 0 is 1 times b raised to power 1 times 1. That is the same as b raised to power 1, which you can write as b like that. Then plus 3. Then, of course, this a raised to power 1, that can be written as a, then b squared, then this one can be written as c like that. And then here, we take minus 4 times 1 times 1 times 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this is like 1, then times 1, and then times 1. That means the answer is minus 4 on that side. So this one is the least form you can express this one in. So that means this is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. Thank you.